Forests are the Earth's lungs. They are vast, ancient ecosystems teeming with life. From towering trees to tiny insects, forests are home to a diverse array of species, but our forests are under threat. Deforestation, driven by human activities, is rapidly clearing these vital landscapes. As forests disappear, so too does the incredible biodiversity they harbor. Forests are not just collections of trees, they are intricate webs of life. Each species, from the smallest plant to the largest predator, plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. When we cut down forests, we disrupt these intricate relationships and put entire ecosystems at risk. The loss of biodiversity through deforestation is a global crisis that demands our attention. Biodiversity is the variety of life on Earth. It encompasses all living things, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest whales. This rich tapestry of life is essential for the health of our planet. Forests are biodiversity hotspots, harboring a disproportionate amount of the world's species. These species interact in complex ways, forming a delicate balance that sustains the entire ecosystem. Trees provide oxygen, regulate the climate, and prevent soil erosion. Animals disperse seeds, pollinate plants, and control pest populations. Fungi and microorganisms decompose organic matter, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. Every species plays a vital role in maintaining the health and resilience of the forest. Deforestation is having a devastating impact on biodiversity. As forests are cleared for agriculture, logging, and other human activities, countless species are losing their homes. Some species, like the iconic orangutan, are being pushed to the brink of extinction. Orangutans rely on the dense canopy of rainforests for food and shelter. As forests are cleared, orangutans are forced into smaller and smaller fragments of habitat, making them more vulnerable to hunting and disease. Similarly, the jaguar, the apex predator of the Amazon rainforest, is also threatened by deforestation. Jaguars require large territories to hunt and reproduce. As their habitat shrinks, they are forced into closer contact with humans, leading to increased conflict. Section 4. Beyond the forest floor. Wider impacts. The impacts of deforestation extend far beyond the forest floor. When forests are cleared, carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during photosynthesis, acting as carbon sinks. Deforestation removes these vital carbon sinks, exacerbating the effects of climate change. Deforestation also leads to soil erosion, as the protective cover of trees is removed. This can lead to landslides, flooding, and decreased soil fertility. Furthermore, deforestation disrupts water cycles, leading to changes in rainfall patterns and water availability. These impacts are felt not only by wildlife but also by human communities that rely on forests for their livelihoods and well-being. Section 5. A time to act, protecting our legacy. The time to act is now. We must protect our remaining forests and restore those that have been degraded. This requires a multifaceted approach involving governments, businesses, and individuals. Governments need to implement and enforce stricter regulations on deforestation. Sustainable forestry practices that prioritize conservation and regeneration need to be widely adopted. Businesses need to ensure that their supply chains are free from deforestation. Consumers can make informed choices by supporting companies committed to sustainable practices. Section 6. A Seed of Hope, restoring our forests. Restoring degraded forests is crucial for mitigating climate change and restoring biodiversity. By planting trees and restoring damaged ecosystems, we can help to heal the planet. Reforestation efforts can also provide economic opportunities for local communities. By working together, we can create a future where forests thrive and biodiversity flourishes. Every individual has a role to play in protecting our planet's precious forests. By making informed choices, supporting conservation efforts, and advocating for change, we can make a difference. The fate of our forests, and the countless species that depend on them, rests in our hands. Let us be the generation that chooses to protect our planet's irreplaceable natural heritage.